Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Firestick tutorial. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to fix the video stuttering or screen flickering on your Firestick. So, first things first, you want to head to your Firestick settings, and you do this by coming all the way right here on the main screen. Then we want to come down and select Display and Audio. Now within Display and Audio, you want to come down and then select Display. Now here we want to change the refresh rate, so we go into Video Resolution, and whichever resolution you're on, you want to come down, say you're on 60 Hz like this, you want to come down and select 50 Hz. Your Firestick will restart like that, you can confirm it, and then you want to see if that fixes the flickering issue. You can also turn off, match official frame rate here, or turn it back on, and then check if the flickering disappears, or the stuttering of the screen. Now if you want different frame rates, you can press rewind on your remote and the up button. Hold this for around 10 to 15 seconds, and you'll get this pop up here. And you'll be able to select use current resolution. However, it'll keep changing the resolution if you leave the countdown, like that. And once you're happy, you can press use resolution and it'll change to that new resolution. So hopefully that'll fix your video stuttering or screen flickering on your Firestick. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe for many more Firestick tutorials like this one, and thanks for watching.